Baltimore is a vivid city. It's a diverse community, people from different places. My experience as an international student is very supportive. Although you are from other places, but you are now part of this community. As international students, just be ready to rock this journey. I was very excited and also surprised when I figured out there's Chinese lunar events in Water Museum every year. And many people are going to see this event, and then we can let more people know about the traditional Chinese cultures. My favorite place for hanging out with my friends is Hampton. I like this kind of artsy but kind of spooky shops to shop around, so it's kind of interesting. My favorite place for comfort food is Red Pepper Bistro in Towson, because all the chefs are from my hometown, so it's very authentic and I love it so much. Baltimore is a very chill place, also it's very tasty.